In this video, I'll show you how to play Valorant with a controller. Firstly, visit the ReviewQuasar website and download the software. Install it on your PC. It offers a free trial so you can try it before deciding to purchase. Now, plug your controller into your PC using a USB cable or connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Supported controllers include Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, Steam, GameCube, and more. Now open the ReviewQuasar application. After installation, the software will detect your connected controller automatically. Use ReviewQuasar's interface to map your controller buttons to Valorant's keyboard and mouse controllers. Take your time to ensure every button is mapped comfortably to suit Valorant's control scheme. All you have to do is save your settings when satisfied and then launch the game and test your controller setup in custom matches or practice mode to ensure everything works smoothly. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.